Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ace 3 bands is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your smartwatch, offering a fantastic way to personalize your look and enhance your daily wear. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to the office, or going out for a night on the town, the right band can make all the difference in both comfort and aesthetic appeal, transforming your device into a true fashion statement that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. Number 5. Fitbit Ace 3 Replacement Bands for Kids. These soft silicone replacement bands are designed to perfectly fit the Ace 3 Kids activity tracker. They are adjustable to fit wrists from 4.72 to 4.7 inches, with 12 buckles for a customizable fit. Made from premium, BPA-free silicone, these bands are incredibly soft, lightweight, and flexible. They offer a comfortable, almost unnoticeable feel for all-day wear, whether exercising or sleeping. You don't need to worry about fading or difficult cleaning. These bands are easy to care for, ensuring a fresh look and comfortable experience for your child during any activity. Featuring 2 retainer straps, these bands securely hold the tracker in place and manage any extra length. This design helps prevent children from losing their valuable activity tracker. Attaching the bracelet is a breeze thanks to the upgraded connector. It fits your kid's activity tracker perfectly and easily, with no tools required for installation. These classic replacement bands are ideal for children's activities like swimming, walking, and running. We offer a 12-month promise, so please contact us with any quality concerns. What we like? This band offers a soft, lightweight feel perfect for kids' daily activities. Its double retainer straps ensure the tracker stays securely in place, preventing loss during active play. If your child is very active or prone to losing things, this is the ideal choice for peace of mind. What people say? The Ace 3 bands are a great accessory for your fitness tracker. They are comfortable to wear and come in a variety of colors. The bands are durable and can withstand daily wear and tear. Number 4. Ace 3 Floral Bands Replacement for Fitbit Ace 3. Introducing our replacement bands designed specifically for your Fitbit Ace 3. They ensure a secure fit and are incredibly easy to swap out, no tools needed. With a variety of solid colors and beautiful floral patterns, you can easily match your band to your mood, outfit, or activity. Perfect for any occasion. Crafted from high-quality, skin-friendly silicone, these bands are flexible, lightweight, and resistant to sweat and water. Enjoy maximum comfort all day long. These bands are designed to fit wrist sizes from 4.5 to 6.4 inches. They offer an adjustable and comfortable fit for everyone. We prioritize your happiness. If you experience any issues, please contact us for a hassle-free replacement or refund. We're here to ensure you're completely satisfied. What we like? Express your child's personality with these colorful and patterned bands. Made from skin-friendly, flexible material, they are comfortable for all-day wear and resistant to sweat and water. If you want to add a touch of style and allow for easy outfit matching, these are a great pick. What people say? The band is comfortable and fits well. The display is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The heart rate monitor is accurate and provides useful data. Number 3. Premium Elastic Bandage Wrap, 3-2PK. Experience superior compression and support with our elastic bandage wrap. It's designed for effective healing and comfort. These bandages feature a convenient self-closing design, making them easy to apply and reuse. Enjoy long-lasting support without the hassle. Perfect for various body parts, including legs, arms, wrists, elbows, feet, ankles, and knees. Get targeted support wherever you need it. Whether for first aid or post-surgery recovery, this wrap provides the necessary compression to aid healing. It's an essential addition to your care routine. Crafted for durability, this bandage wrap offers reliable performance. Trust it to provide consistent support during your recovery. This value pack includes 2 bandages, ensuring you always have one ready when needed. Keep one at home and one on the go for continuous care. What we like? This is a versatile compression bandage designed for support and recovery. Its strong compression and self-closing feature make it easy to adjust and reuse. If you need a reliable wrap for first aid, post-surgery recovery, or sprains, this offers excellent support and convenience. What people say. The Ace 3 bands are a great addition for fitness tracking, offering accurate step counting and heart rate monitoring. The design of the Ace 3 bands is sleek and comfortable for all-day wear, with a variety of color options available. The Ace 3 bands feature a long-lasting battery life, easily lasting over a week on a single charge. Number 2. Premium Elastic Bandage Wrap, 4PK plus 12 clips. Introducing our Premium Elastic Bandage Wrap, designed for versatile support. It provides strong compression for various body parts, aiding in recovery and first aid needs. Whether for post-surgery recovery or immediate first aid, these wraps are an essential addition to your kit. They offer reliable support when you need it most. Each wrap comes with extra clips to ensure a secure and reliable fit. You can trust it to stay in place, providing consistent compression. This pack includes multiple sizes to accommodate different needs. You'll have the right size for legs, arms, wrists, and more. Experience effective compression with a comfortable feel. These bandages are designed to support your joints and muscles without causing discomfort. Keep these essential wraps in your first aid kit for quick access. They are perfect for providing support to elbows, ankles, feet, and knees. What we like? This pack provides excellent value with multiple sizes and extra clips for secure fastening. The strong compression is ideal for various injuries and recovery needs. If you need a comprehensive solution for first aid or recovery that offers flexibility and secure application, this multi-pack is a smart choice. What people say. The screen is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over a week on a single charge. It tracks steps, heart rate, and sleep accurately, providing valuable insights into my fitness. Number 1. Fitbit Ace 3 Replacement Bands. Introducing a new way to accessorize your child's fitness tracker. These bands are designed for ultimate comfort and durability, perfect for everyday wear. Don't let water stop the fun. Our replacement straps are waterproof, making them ideal for active kids during sports or playtime. Swapping out the old band for a new one is a breeze. Give their tracker a fresh look in seconds with these easy-to-use accessories. Specifically crafted to fit the Fitbit Ace 3, these bands ensure a secure and perfect fit for your child's device. Available in a variety of colors, these soft silicone straps let boys and girls express their style while staying active. What we like? Designed for active kids, this soft silicone band is waterproof and comfortable for sports. It provides a secure and flexible fit for the Ace 3 tracker. If your child enjoys swimming, running, or other sports and needs a durable, worry-free band, this is a practical option. What people say. The Ace 3 bands are a great addition to the Ace 3 smartwatch, offering a comfortable and secure fit for daily wear. The variety of colors and materials available for the Ace 3 bands allows for personalization to match any style or occasion. These bands are easy to swap out, making it simple to change the look of your Ace 3 throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.